Introducing the Redmi 11 Prime in flashy black, featuring 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. This smartphone boasts a prime design, high-performance Helio G99, and a 50MP AI triple camera, all powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support. The Redmi 11 Prime offers a 90Hz FHD plus AdaptiveSync display, a 50MP AI triple camera setup, and 4GB RAM with 64GB UFS 2.2 storage, expandable up to 512GB. It also features a 5000 mAh large battery with 18W fast charging support and comes with a 22.5W fast charger in the box. Equipped with a high-performance Helio G99 processor, this smartphone delivers seamless performance. The 50MP AI triple camera setup, along with an 8MP front camera, ensures stunning photography and videography experiences. With its impressive features and affordable price range, the Redmi 11 Prime in flashy black is a compelling choice for those seeking a powerful and versatile smartphone.